Hey guys, Easter is right around the corner, and as almost all of us are staying home right now, how about a little Easter craft session? Therefore, I want to show you a real quick and easy tutorial for a nice Easter present, and all you need for that is a bag like this and your printed out favorite Easter designs. I've chosen this Easter lettering, a cute little bunny and some nice dots and leaves. And first of all, of course, you always have to weed them, but to save time, I've already done it. So now place the bag on your mat. And important is that you place your design step by step, so that makes it easier for you to press them. So I start with the Easter lettering, straighten it a bit, and take your heat press. And as always, press it for 5 seconds. Ready? Now carefully peel it off. Perfect. So there you go. The lettering is on your bag. Now we do the second print. Let's see how it's placed. Like this. Yeah, that's good. And again, place it, straighten it, take your heat press, press it for 5 seconds. And peel it off. Yeah, that looks good. And the second one, the dots, that looks good. Straighten it, check the heat press, press it for 5 seconds. Okay. And carefully peel it off. So, first step is ready. We have the lettering and the dots and leaves. And now we place our little friend right above the lettering. Place it in the middle. I guess that looks good. And now take your heat press and again press it. And don't worry about the designs you printed first. You can't destroy anything or mess it up. Your design survives this. So 5 seconds, peel it off, and there you go. Now you have your sweet little Easter bag. If you want to, you can also fill it with candies or Easter eggs and you have a nice present, or you just keep it for yourself as decoration. So if you liked our video and if you want to do it at home, make sure to follow us on Instagram and tag us on your results if you want to post them. So I'm happy to see all of your designs, and take care.